Good day, everyone. I'm Yolanda D. Robles, Master Teacher 1 of Emiliano Tria Tirona Memorial National Integrated High School. Our lead proponent is Mrs. Olivia Crisostomo and Mrs. Edith Yen. Our title is School Emergency Planning and Management Practices Among Public Schools in Kawit District Amidst Pandemic, Basis for School Emergency Operations Plan. For the rationale, since the rise of COVID pandemic, many countries around the world have been experiencing lots of challenges, not just in the economic aspect, but in the education system as well. School administration and the national agencies related to education have been thinking of strategies and actions to be implemented to cater the education for the year without putting teachers and students in danger amidst pandemic, Feiner et al. 2022. At present, the Philippines adopted online, modular, and blended teaching that enables teachers and learners to communicate with their lecturers with the use of internet, computer, and modules. Like a normal face-to-face school scenario, learners still report, recite, and do exam. The difference is it is done online through a computer and by answering modules, Schlinder et al. 2017. Thus, the Department of Education DepEd issued the DepEd Order number 12-2020, also known as the Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan, that adopted multiple learning modalities, including the online learning modality, modular learning modality, and blended learning modality to be used during this normal education as an emergency measure to allow instruction amid challenging circumstances. And one of the schools that adopted the modular learning modality is the Emiliano Tria Tirona Memorial National Integrated High School. According to Bluret 2020, school leaders are people who are actively active in the school's administration and management. Therefore, school principals must have the skill and ability to do their jobs as well in various capacities, including school community leaders in financial, material, and human resource management, while ensuring safety and the academic success of their learners. The main objective of the study is to determine the school emergency planning and management practices among public and secondary schools in Kawit District towards development of school emergency operations plan. Specifically, it sought to answer the following questions. Number 1, what are the challenges in relation to school planning and management encountered by the public schools in the District of Kawit amidst pandemic in terms of resources management, accountability, participatory decision-making? Number 2, what are the emergency planning and management practices among public schools in the District of Kawit amidst pandemic in terms of resources management, accountability, participatory decision-making? Number 3, how the public and secondary schools handle and resolve the challenges in school planning and management amidst pandemic? Number 4, based on the results of the study, what school emergency operations plan may be proposed? So our research methodology is A. Sampling. The study will utilize our purposive sample technique. It is a non-probability sample selected based on characteristics of a population and the goal of the study, Crossman 2018. Thus, the respondents of the study will be 10 school heads and 10 DRM coordinators among public, elementary, and secondary schools in the District of Kawit Cavite. Then 10 school heads and 10 DRM coordinators that will be selected are those respondents who willingly respond to be part of the study. And the data collection is mixed methods approach was chosen within the case study design or collect data and to maximize the benefits of both qualitative and quantitative. For quantitative part, the survey questionnaire that was adopted from Gabatino 2022 will be used to determine that school emergency planning management practices among public elementary and secondary schools amidst pandemic. For qualitative part, in-depth interview, facilitated by an interview guide, will be used to capture on how the public elementary schools handled and resolved these challenges in school planning and management in time of pandemic. Thanks everyone.